Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In the quiet corners of Australia's wilderness, where the wind hums softly through tall grass, a gentle soul hops silently. The wallaby. It doesn't roar, it doesn't rush, it simply breathes with the earth, calm, aware, and free. Wallabies live without pride, without comparison. In every small hop, they carry a message that peace is not found in noise, but in gentle rhythm and natural living. They don't chase power, they don't chase attention, they just live honestly and humbly. If you truly look at them, you can feel something ancient, a calm that the modern world has forgotten. Inside a mother wallaby's pouch, a tiny heartbeat learns to trust the world. The joy doesn't hurry to grow, it simply rests and believes. Because in nature, nothing is forced, growth happens with patience. Maybe we too can learn from her to protect what is small, to nurture without control, and to love without pride. Wallabies live close to the land, every breath in tune with the soil beneath. They remind us that peace is not running away from the world, but living gently within it. The more we observe them, the more we realize we are not above nature, we are a part of it. When the sun sets, the forest turns golden. The wallaby sits still, listening to the silence. In that stillness, there is no thought of tomorrow, no memory of the past, only presence. Peace is not something to find outside, it's something we become inside when we live like the wallaby, calm, humble, and one with the earth. Let every creature remind us that silence is not emptiness, it's full of life. This is Sanbarta's nature motivation. Stay close to nature, and the peace you seek will begin to grow within. Lastly, save animals, save birds, save nature, save wildlife, and save your mind.